Meteordale's Adventure and Travel's latest challenge is to do every railway service in the UK over many, many years. Please enjoy watching. Please.
Edinburgh, Grimsby Town and Cleethorpes.
Now on the Sheffield to York service 158901.
Welcome aboard this Northern train to York. The next station stop is Meadowhall.
At last, we're now approaching Meadowhall Station.
Here at Old Rock is evidence of the former steel industry. There are lots of sidings, as you can see. Old Rock is surrounded by beautiful countryside, lots of opportunities for walking and cycling. The Magma Science Adventure Centre, popular tourist attraction, offers interactive exhibits and technology. And the Wentworth Woodhouse, one of the largest houses in Europe, open to the public. Nearby is Parkgate Shopping Park, one of the largest retail parks in the region, including Meadowhall, on the edge of Rotherham. When I tried this route previously on the Sheffield to York service, it was cancelled at Meadowhall. And the next service went on the diversionary route to the right, on that line there, which misses out Swinton due to a blockage on the line there. The Swinton area has a long history of pottery making and then followed by coal mining. The whole area is in the heart of the coal mining zone of Yorkshire.
Together now we're here chilling, chilling in paradise. Sunny days, sunny days, no clouds in the sky, but I get away. Feels like it's been a freaking decade. Sorry, don't call me cause I'm gonna be on break. Sunny day, make way. All the stress and doubt, yeah, not today. Feels like it's been a freaking decade. Sorry, don't call me cause I'm gonna be on break. Sunny days, no clouds in the sky, but I get away. Feels like it's been a freaking decade. Sorry, don't call me cause I'm gonna be on break. Sunny day, make way. All the stress and doubt, yeah, not today. Feels like it's been a freaking decade. Sorry, don't call me cause I'm gonna be on break.
Want me past tense? I think you got away somehow. Did you get away somehow? Did you get away somehow, somehow? Did you get away somehow, somehow? Did you get away somehow, somehow? Best way out is always through. I think you got away somehow. Did you get away somehow? I think you got away somehow. Did you get away somehow? Somehow, somehow, somehow. Somehow, somehow, somehow. Somehow, somehow, somehow. Best way out is always through. What if we change? I could still be waiting now. Could you let me stay for now?